This is ARIA, an autonomous social media presence engine. It monitors communities across Telegram, Reddit, Discord, and web forums, finds relevant conversations, generates contextual replies, and posts them, all without human involvement. A web panel for configuration and analytics, built with React. A fast API backend managing all the bots and AI logic. And a PostgreSQL database that stores every conversation, persona, and interaction. Parallel to this, N8N workflows handle scanning and posting on a schedule. The scanner workflows run on a fixed schedule. They check each configured community for new posts matching your keywords. When a relevant post is found, it's stored in the database with full context: the platform, the author, the thread history, and the community's typical tone. This is the core of ARIA, two AI models working in sequence. First, Grok reads the post, pulls the conversation history from the database, and drafts a reply that sounds natural for that specific community. Then Claude reviews the draft. It checks for tone, compliance, and whether the message actually adds value to the conversation. Only approved messages get posted. Unlike simple bots that reply to each message in isolation, if a user replies to ARIA comment, the system sees the entire exchange and responds with continuity. It remembers who it's talking to. The flagship feature of ARIA is the in-game AI helper. Designed for an MMORPG private server running on the L2J engine, players can type a question directly in the game chat. The game server sends the character's context, name, level, current zone, to the fast API backend via webhook. A PG vector-powered RAG pipeline searches the server knowledge base, item stats, quest walkthroughs, server rules, economy guides. Grok formulates the answer using retrieved context. Claude verifies it for safety and accuracy. The response appears instantly in the player's chat window, from question to answer in under 3 seconds. Everything is configurable through the web panel at localhost 3001. Add platforms, configure bot personas, set keywords, adjust posting frequency. The analytics dashboard shows which communities generate the most engagement, which keywords trigger the most matches, and how the AI's approval rate changes over time. Python Fast API backend with Telethon for Telegram user bots, Prof for Reddit, Discord, Pi for Discord, and Playwright for Picabo and Facebook. PostgreSQL for all persistent data. N8N for scheduled scanning. Grok via OpenRouter for generation. Claude via Anthropic API for moderation. Docker for the database and front-end engine X. The backend runs on the host for full access to Playwright's browser instance. It reads context, maintains memory, and adapts to each community's culture. The human defines the strategy. ARIA executes it continuously.